They have a lot of departure flights from this place. Unless it's coming from somewhere else and they're just low.
Could be delayed flights.
Probably. But that was like 3 within freaking 10 minutes.
Yeah, the weather's been all over the place lately.
You looked like you just wanted to sink into your chair.
Yeah, I just wanted to be like,
I didn't win. I'm not here.
I'm not even part of this.
I can't believe you dragged my ass up there.
You said you were gonna drag me up there.
I said if you don't go, I'm gonna drag you out of that chair and push you up there.
And I was like,
I wasn't gonna go any farther than the chair.
And I was just like, all right, fine.
I was just gonna get up, pull you out of that chair, push you in the direction of the table, and make you move. I wasn't gonna pull you all the way up there. You dragged my ass all the way up there. To the point where freaking TJ thought it was me winning that, and it wasn't even me. No, obviously not my name. Obviously. And then he pulls my name last. Or was it second to last?
Second to last.
I think it was second to last. Then he pulls my name and he's like, oh, here we go. Same chase. I'm like, oh, shit.
I honestly did not think I was going to get my name called this song.
I didn't either.
But the applause and the cheers. Like,
You had cheers and applause, dude.
Yeah, but it was still embarrassing.
And then fucking Shelby Gregory was like, woo! She was drunk off
she
her
was
ass.
so drunk.
Holy shit.
That's the ones I'm talking about.
God damn.
Holy.
Holy shit.